Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel RA the Sailor. In this video, I am going to discuss with you important questions with answers which are being asked in Refresher FPFF exit exam. Also, I will suggest you to do e-learning MCQs seriously because also some questions come from e-learning in exit exam. The passing percentage for this exit exam is 50%, and I hope you will like this video as it covers almost all questions which come in exit exam. Question number 1. A fire hose should be stored in its rack with A. Hose section disconnected, B. Foam nozzle attached, C. All-purpose nozzle attached, D. Hose section rolled separately. Answer is C. All-purpose nozzle attached. Question 2. Under normal firefighting condition, approximately how far could a straight stream of water reach when the hose pressure is 100 psi? So, A is 50, B 100 feet, C 150 feet, D 200 feet. Answer is B 100 feet. Question 3. Portable oil tank cleaning machines are usually provided with a water supply from the inert gas scrubber. B. Fire main, C. Mocking supply system, D. Portable water supply. Answer is B. Fire main. Fourth, all portable fire extinguisher must be capable of being A. Carried by hand to fire, B. Carried or rolled to a fire, C. Recharged in the field, D. Used on class B fires. Answer is A. Question 5. Fire triangle. Fill up the blanks. A. Fuel, B. Heat, C. Oxygen, D. All of the above. Answer is all of the above. Question 6. Class A involves flammable liquids. Answer is B. False. Question 7. Minimum capacity of emergency fire pump. The answer is C. 25 meter cube per hour. Question 8. Which is the best fire extinguisher for electrical fire? A. CO2, B. Foam, C. Water, D. DCP. Answer is CO2. Question 9. Dry chemical powder extinguisher works on smothering, starvation, inhibition, cooling. Answer is C. Inhibition. Question 10. Class B bulkhead are classified as B15, B0. Answer is A. True. Question 11. Maximum temperature of an exposed side of B class division is 300, 350, 400, 225. So answer is 225. Question 12. DCP fixed firefighting system is used in which type of vessel? Oil, chemical, bulk or gas? Answer is gas. Class A fire extinguisher is best used on A. Solids, B. Liquids, C. Gas, D. Metals. Answer is A. Solids. Question 14. In which language fire control plan is written? A. French, B. English, C. Spanish, D. Any language. Answer is B. English. Question 15. Automatic CO2 release system is for which space? A. Accommodation, B. Main deck, C. Engine room, D. None of the above. Answer is none of the above because it is only manually released. Question 16. Meaning of pass in portable fire extinguisher is A. Pass, aim, shut, sit, B. Pull, aim, squeeze and sweep, C. Pass at sure speed, D. Pass, aim, squeeze and sweep. Answer is D. Question 17. What is the duration of EEBD? The duration of EEBD is 10 minutes. Question 18. Scaba bottle duration for 1200 liter is A 20 minutes, B 25 minutes, C 30 minutes and D 45 minutes. So the answer is C 30 minutes. Question 19. Extinguisher that can be used for class K fire is CO2, DCP, foam or wet chemical. Answer is D, wet chemical. Question 20. What is the fourth component of a fire tetrahedron? A. Inhibition, B. Molecular chain reaction, C. Fire reaction, D. None of the above. Answer is B. Molecular chain reaction. Question 21. What is the color coding of portable water extinguisher? A. Cream, B. Yellow, C. Blue, D. Signal red. So the answer is D. Signal red. Question 22. Which type of extinguisher is hard to recharge on board? A. CO2, B. DCP, C. Foam, D. Water type. So the answer is A. CO2. Question 23. What is the length of fireproof line of Scaba? A. 10 meter, B. 15 meter, C. 20 meter, D. 30 meter. So the answer is D. 30 meter. Question 24. Recharging a previously used cartridge operated by dry chemical fire extinguisher is accomplished by authorized fire equipment servicing personnel only, replacing the propellant cartridge and refilling it with powder, C. Puncturing the cartridge seal after installation, D. Recharging the cartridge and refilling it with powder. The answer is B. Replacing the propellant cartridge and refilling it with powder. Question 25. Each hand portable fire extinguisher must be marked with the name of the vessel on which it is located, the date that it was installed, the name of individual qualified to use it, D. An identification number. So the answer is an identification number. Question 26. If your vessel is to carry 10 portable from a fire extinguisher, you must maintain a supply of at least 1 spare charge, 5 spare charges, 10 spare charges. Answer is C. 5 spare charges. Question 27. Each fire pump on a tank ship must have a pressure gauge located at the pump discharge, the manifold connection, each fire station discharge, the pump station. So the answer is A. The pump discharged. Question 28. Annual servicing of a hand portable CO2 fire extinguisher includes inspecting the pressure gauge to ensure the needle is within operating range, B. Weighing the cylinder and recharging if weight loss exceed 10% of the weight of charge, C. Hydrostatic testing of cylinder, D. Discharging, cleaning inside and recharging. Answer is B. Question 29. Fuel removal, how it stop fire, cooling, inhibition, starving, smothering. Answer is C. Starving. Question 30. Fire extinguishing system required for preparing machineries and diesel driven motor. A. Hypermist, B. CO2, C. DCP, D. Foam. So the answer is A. Hypermist.